Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Bio Classes based on NCERT syllabus for PUC first and second year. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications as soon as videos are getting uploaded. Okay, I shall start my today's class. In my previous NEET video, I have asked one question to comment it in the comment box. Okay, so the last question which I have asked was select the hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, the question was this. I didn't got a single comment regarding this. I have got comments of different views, but not of this question's answer. There is a many different views of this. What is I am thinking is whether you are not interested totally to answer the questions or you are not interested in NEET. And second thing is you didn't understood the question. And one more is you know the answer, but you don't wanted to comment it in the comment box. Whatever might be the reason, if some work has been given, please respond to that. Okay, anyhow, select the hormone releasing IUDs. First one, multilode 375 and progestasert. Okay, progestasert and LNG20, lipase loop and multilode 375 volts and LNG20. Multilode 375 and progestasert. Here your progestasert is this one hormone releasing IUD. Okay, but multilode 375 it's not a hormone releasing IUD. So option here correct one is progestasert and LNG20. I have given the detailed information of this in my previous video, so you can go through that. Page number, everything I have given, but then too I didn't got a single comment or answer regarding this question. Very upsetting point it is. Anyhow, progestasert and LNG20 is the correct answer. Both are hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, I shall start with the next question. The next question here you have about which of the following is true for golden rice. Golden rice you might have not heard, or if you have some idea regarding it, it's very good. Okay, golden rice is nothing but which is enriched with a vitamin. Okay, golden rice is nothing but the rice which has been enriched with vitamin, and this golden rice, it is its scientific name is Oryza sativa. Commonly you might be knowing the scientific name of rice is Oryza sativa. This rice is produced through genetic engineering. Okay, the name itself shows that it is golden rice, means it is not a normal rice. It is produced through genetic engineering so that to synthesize a precursor. Okay, precursor called as beta carotene. Okay, it is used through genetic engineering to biosynthesize beta carotene. Beta carotene is a precursor of vitamin A, which means vitamin A is produced by using this beta carotene. Now in the plant, in the rice plant, they have introduced a gene. That gene is of beta carotene. Now this gene, when it is entered into the plant, rice plant body, then what does this gene will do? Gene will start to produce beta carotene. Beta carotene will get converted later into vitamin A. It helps in the production of vitamin A. Golden rice is having this vitamin A. Okay, two beta carotene biosynthetic genes are available. You have been used. Two beta carotene biosynthetic genes have been used. Biosynthetic genes have been used for the production of a golden rice. In that, first one is PSY gene. PSY gene. This gene is called as phytoin synthesis. Phytoin synthase. Phytoin synthase. Okay, PSY gene. Phytoin synthase is the name of an enzyme, the full name of that gene, and this has been isolated from daffodil. Okay, from daffodil. Daffodil is a name of a plant. Okay, this was the first gene. Then second gene we have here is CRTL. This gene, its full form is phytoin desaturase. Phytoin desaturase. Okay, phytoin desaturase is its full form. Now this has been isolated from soil bacteria. CRTL, it has been isolated from soil bacteria. Which soil bacteria? Erwinia uridovora. Okay, Erwinia uridovora. So this is the name of the bacteria. So that bacteria which lives in a soil, the gene which has been isolated from that is CRTL. Okay, and one more gene from a daffodil called as PSY gene. Okay, these are the two genes which can be used for the production of vitamin A in a rice. Okay, so now I shall come back to the question. Okay, the question was, which of the following is true for golden rice? First option here it is a pest resistant with a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. No, just now we have seen it is not isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis. It is from bacteria. If it is Erwinia uridovora. Second option, it is a drought tolerant developed using agrobacterium vector. No, it is not developed by using agrobacterium tumefaciens. Next, it has yellow grains because of a gene introduced from a primitive variety of rice. No, it is not derived from gene from a primitive variety. A gene from different organisms, it has been isolated and it has been introduced into the plant to produce vitamin A. Its primitive variety means old variety, that the wild variety which was present in the forest. Next, it is a vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. So what do you think? Which option is correct? That is fourth option is the right answer. Okay, golden rice, its scientific name is Oryza sativa. It is having a gene by genetic engineering, beta carotene, which is producing a beta carotene. Beta carotene is what? It is a precursor of vitamin A. And that beta carotene gene, we have two different types. PSY gene from daffodil, CRTL gene from a bacteria called as Erwinia uridovora. Daffodil is the name of a plant. Okay, so correct option is, it is a vitamin A enriched with a gene from a daffodil. Now this question, it has been actually it has not been given in your textbook in NCERT, but a question related to this, it has been asked in page number 216 of your second year. A question has been asked in your second year textbook, page number 216, that is in your biotechnology. There you will find, write a note on golden rice, something like that you are having a question. Okay, or collect some information related to golden rice, which means we must know about the golden rice. So based on that, it has been asked one question. If you have an exemplar book, so I think in that it has been given, I am not sure about it, but you can check it once if you have exemplar. Okay, next we have, next one. Which of the following equipments is essentially required for growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzymes? I think this is easy for the second year students who have already attempted for the exam. Which of the following equipment, which equipment is required for growing microbes? Microbes means microorganisms which are living on a large scale, in industrial scale, for production of enzymes. Okay, we have here first option as sludge digester, second as industrial oven, third one bioreactor, fourth one BOD incubator. So sludge digester, it is used for biogas, okay, production of biogas. Industrial oven, this is used for baking purpose in a large scale. Okay, next you have bioreactor, the name itself shows bio means living bioreactor, so this must be the correct option. BOD incubator, incubators are used to incubate the organisms, okay, especially microorganisms. Anyhow, the correct option is bioreactor. Okay, this is a direct question. This this question, it has been asked from your second year, page number 204 in biotechnology chapter you will get. Okay, next you have match the following organisms with the products they produce. Okay, some organisms are there and what products they are producing you have about it. First one is lactobacillus. Okay, lactobacillus is what? It is a bacteria used in preparation of curd. So you can find it is here, curd. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, its common name is yeast, which is nothing but a fungi. It is used in preparation of bread for baking purpose. Aspergillus niger, it is nothing but a fungi. So this Aspergillus niger is used for the production of citric acid. Astrobacter aceti, okay, Astrobacter is nothing but a bacteria, and this bacteria is useful for production of acetic acid. Okay, now we shall check the options. Select the correct option. So we have given lactobacillus as this one. Second one, we shall check that one. A, in this first one is second, here it is third, second and second, which means second option is eliminated. 3 options have been left. Okay, next, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, we said it is as fourth. Okay, B4, all 3 options are following the same. Next, C is Aspergillus niger, it is third. Okay, so third and third, then fourth option is eliminated. Only 2 options left with us. Which one? First and third one. Next, D, Astrobacter st, we have acetic acid, that is fifth one. So fifth and fifth. Okay, so now in this you will find that this option is correct. Third option, here it has been given it as first. So which option will be left? Only one. The option is 1. Third one, B, they gave it as 1, that is cheese, but B is actually bread, that is fourth one. Okay, hope you got this. So the correct one is this first option. Very easy and a direct question. Okay, we shall proceed with the further. So this one, it has been asked from your second year. Okay, page number I don't remember, but it has been asked from a chapter microbes in human welfare. Okay, if you know the page number, you can comment it in the comment box. It's of no use, I know you all are not going to comment it, but anyhow, it's your wish. Which of the following muscular disorders is inherited? Okay, which of the muscular disorder is getting inherited, which means which is getting transmitted from parents to offsprings. First one is muscular dystrophy, second one is botulism, third one is myasthenia gravis, then tetany. We shall know about each one. Tetany, you have got this one in first year. Tetany is nothing but rapid spasms in muscles due to low calcium in body fluid. Okay, rapid spasms in muscles due to low calcium in body fluid. It is because of low calcium. If we have low calcium in our body, then we are going to suffer with the tetany. Now this presence of higher calcium or lower calcium is not inherited. Okay, then we have here it as botulism. Botulism is what? It is a disease caused by bacteria. Okay, botulism is caused by bacteria. Now when it is caused by bacteria, it doesn't mean that it is getting inherited from the parents. Okay, so bacteria, which bacteria? Clostridium botulinum. Okay, Clostridium botulinum. This bacteria will cause a disease. Now third and fourth option is eliminated. One is caused by bacteria, another one is because of low calcium in our body. Next we have here is myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder. Okay, myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder. Now in this autoimmune disorder, it is going to affect neuromuscular junction. Okay, when it is going to affect neuromuscular junction, as we know, autoimmune disorder or diseases are those which are harming self cells. Our own cells are harming the other self cells. So that we call it as autoimmune disorder, and the reason behind this is yet unknown. But this is not a genetic disorder, which is not getting. It is a genetic disorder, but it is not getting inherited. Next, muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy is progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle. Continuously, if skeletal muscles are getting degenerated, we call it as muscular dystrophy, and this one is a genetic disorder. Whenever we are using a term called as genetic disorder, it is getting inherited. Here it is also related to genes, but these are not getting inherited, and its actual reason of myasthenia gravis or autoimmune disease is not yet known. Okay, so it is now muscular dystrophy. It is actual disease what? Progressive degeneration of skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles will get degenerate continuously, and it's a genetic disorder. When we are saying it is a genetic disorder, then it is getting, when it is present in a genes, then it will get inherited. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, and this question has been arised from first year, that is page number 312. From first year, page number 312. Okay, so these are the 4 questions. Very easy questions these were. except the first one, that is about the golden rice. Got it? So this is about today's class. If you have any doubts, any queries, please comment it in the comment box, and we shall meet in our next video. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy.